Oh yeah, see, that's the little plane I've just searched. As you can see, this was Piper PA-28-180. So this is the Cherokee Arthur, this is. And as you can see, the rate is G-CDEO. You can see that's the rate and there's the call sign there. As you can see, this is where it flew at. As you can see where he flew at, just about 1775 feet deck. So it's just flew at the height. So as you can see where it took off from, took off at his base at Perranporth airfield, and that took off just around quarter one. Sorry. As you can see, that took off at Perranporth airfield just quarter one. And as you can see, it's just that's how much fly past it's been doing so far. Passed over and then it's come here for a flyby. So there we go. So yeah, that's as you can see, that's operated by Perranporth Flying Club, which is this one here. But as you can see, now it's just still at 70,000. Oh yeah, now he's just dropping as he's just dropped on 15 feet. As you can see now. So yep, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Okay, I'm taking this is the same planes we just saw though. Again, this is the Piper PA-28-180. It's the same range, G-CDEO, as you can see. So as you can see, that's the same rate as we just saw. Just after 1 o'clock. So yeah, as you can see, it's just now decided to come for a second pass now. So as you can see, the rate, that's the call sign there, it's the G-CDEO. And again, that's just coming for a second pass. go to the K-line. Where he is now this time, he flew here about, to start with, he flew there about 725 feet and then 15 feet. Whereas if now, it's just, again, he's took off at his base to Perranporth airfield, and he took off at Perranporth airfield just before 3 o'clock. So he was on the ground at 2:53, and now he's just took off at 2:54. Whereas now he's just did it on the same coast, exactly the same coast as he did last time. So yep, and same again as the Perranporth Flying Club one. So yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.